Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. Happy Monday, beautiful people. Another week na naman. I hope you had an amazing weekend. I did. And I hope your Monday is starting great. Oh, Tamaya, thank you. Thank you for watching. Oh my God, I just came out. I just came on. Magandang umaga, magandang hapon, magandang tanghali wherever you are in the world. It's 11:49 a.m. na po dito sa Ontario, Canada. Medyo maano ang ating panahon ngayon. So slow ang ating driving because it's a little bit slippery. So but we're good. We can still see the road and we're happy, we're healthy. So we're amazing. That's good. All is good. Yeah. So anyhow, shout out muna sa aking mga followers diyan. Mapabago man kayo o mapaluma, I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah. So anyhow, crazy. Anyhow, nilagay ko po diyan sa aking caption today. Pag-uusapan natin. Are you stuck or you feel like you're growing in a company or in your work or in your business? So most of you guys na nagpa-follow sa akin, you know that I have an online business na gino-grow ko dito sa social media, and Facebook is my biggest one. So kaya po ako nagla-live, kaya ako nagpo-post. It's because I wanted to share this amazing opportunity, business opportunity sa inyo. So, yeah, so that is the purpose na kaya nandito ako nagla-live, kasi parang kumbaga in a traditional business, parang ito yung tindahan namin. Social media is our store. So, yan yun. If we're not gonna post, if we're not gonna share the business, our business will not grow. So yun. So ganun kadali siya, because of course you can do it anywhere as long as you have internet, right? So yes, so nilagay ko po diyan sa aking caption, are you stuck or do you feel like you're stuck in it? This applies to anything. It can be in your work or in your business or anywhere you are. Or are you feeling na you're growing every single day? So the reason na nilagay ko po iyan diyan, it's because dito po sa business namin, we are growing every single day. So the opportunity for us to grow is naandiyan. So 24/7 yan, nasa sa amin na yun, because our training, we can access it 24/7. So tons of resources na pwede kaming mag-tap in to learn. And because let's face it, in anything that you do in your life, kung hindi ka magle-learn every single day, hindi ka uusad. Right? Because kung halimbawa nasa work ka, sorry guys, maggasolina muna tayo, tubig muna. Kung halimbawa nasa work ka, right? If you are at work and then in your field, kung ano man yung field mo, this applies to any field talaga. So if you are not going to, like, if you limit yourself to the task that you have, na hindi ka mag ano ng extra, right? So you're limiting yourself for your growth. Na kasi let's face it, may tao na parang gusto lang nila na gawin yung minimum. Right? May tao na ganun, na ayaw na kahit na may oportunidad na pwede silang mag-grow, ayaw nilang, hindi nila tinitake yun. So nasa sa atin yun. Pero tandaan natin, if we limit ourselves for our growth, so hindi tayo aasenso. Diba? Hindi tayo aasenso. Walang walang oportunidad na lalapit sa atin because we limit ourselves. Right? So yan po yung ibig kong sabihin diyan, because maraming the same way as well, marami kasing nagre-reach out sa akin na yung bang alam nila na may potential na yung business, right? Because let's face it, this business is proven na. Maraming tao na naging milyonaryo, maraming tao na kumikita ng 5-6 figures in a month, monthly yan ha. Hindi yan yearly, okay? So marami na. So it's proven. It's been 9 years na. And we're still growing strong talaga. So naandyan na yung foundation is very solid. Yung training is naandyan. We are updated every every so often, every single day, because of course we work online. Nagbabago yan every single day, right? And so ito yung kumbaga in a business, kung hindi ka mag-take advantage na mag-learn on new things every single day, hindi rin uusad ang business mo, especially if we work online. Now, the best part dito sa business namin, because we have mentors and coach na tutulong sa amin. We have a global community na tutulong sa amin. So, hindi ka mag-iisa dito. So, that is the best part. Right? Hindi ito katulad ng ibang business na once na mag-umpisa ka is bahala ka na sa buhay mo. No. We help you. Not unless kung yung marami kasi, of course, I know people na magi-start tapos hindi na nakikiconnect. So, how can we help you? How can we help you if we don't know what you need? Right? So, again, nasa sa atin yan. Right? Everything it's up to us. Kasi kahit na andiyan ang resources, kung hindi natin itatap yan, kung hindi natin iti-take advantage yan, is wala pa rin. Right? Hindi ka pa rin mag-grow. So, be open. Be open-minded. Be willing to grow. Yan, maraming oportunidad ang lalapit sa iyo. It doesn't matter kung businessman yan or yung work mo. Right? Example ko na lang because of course, I'm proud to say this. Hindi ito pagyayabang. Okay? I came to Canada as a nanny. After na ma-open na yung permit ko, I worked in a resort as a housekeeper. Right? As a housekeeper. Pero hindi ko nilimit yung sarili ko in one department. I'm always open to take ng panibagong task para para maging flexible ako. Because if you're not flexible, pagdating ng halimbawa may kakulangan sa oras. So halimbawa in a slow season, kung hindi ka flexible, hindi ka makakakuha ng extra time, 'di ba? Because you limit yourself in that spot. Right? Pero yung sa akin, because I'm willing to go above and beyond, so kahit saan nila ako ilalagay in the same department, pwede, right? So pagdating ng time na slow season sa resort, naandun pa rin yung oras ko, right? Because I am flexible, pwede nila akong ilagay kahit saan, right? In the same way, alam ko na na-stuck na ako doon because even if I was working in housekeeper, Jen, thank you for watching. Even if I was working in housekeeping, right? I applied any position na maging open. I applied because I know I can do more, right? Now, nag-apply ako ng front desk, nag-apply ako as a trainer, nag-apply ako ng ano pa ba yung in-applyan ko. And they always turn me down. So, I know na kaya ko. I know that I can learn, right? So long as you will teach me, you will show me what to do, I know I can learn. So, yun yung nagtulak sa akin. So, if you know yourself, right? If you know yourself, if you know that you can do more, huwag kang matakot. Huwag kang matakot na mag-step out of your comfort zone. Right? Because diyan ang growth mo. Diyan mangyayari ang growth mo outside of your comfort zone. Right? So, hindi ko nilimitahan ang sarili ko. I know myself. I know that I can grow. I know that I can learn more so long as someone is willing to teach me. Ganyan ang attitude ko. So, anong ginawa ko? I applied in another resort. I applied on sales. And binigyan ako ng pagkakataon in another resort. Binigyan ako ng pagkakataon. Zero experience. Pero, nagawa ko pa rin. So, I work in sales. Nandun. So, doon na nag-umpisa yung promotion ko. Na-promote ako as a supervisor. Na-promote ako as manager. That is because I was willing to take on task extra outside doon sa task na para sa akin. Right? So this applies, itong sinasabi ko, it applies, it doesn't matter sa employment mo man yan, kung ano man ang ginagawa mo, it doesn't matter. Kung saang field ka man, it doesn't matter. Kung may business ka, so long as you're willing to learn, you are willing to be taught, coachable ka, di yan lalapit sa iyo ang oportunidad. Because think about this, guys. Hindi lalapit sa atin ang oportunidad. We have to seek for it. We have to look for it. Right? So, I hope it makes sense. Thank you na sinasamahan niyo ako. So, yan yung ibig kong sabihin diyan na kung na-stuck ka, don't limit yourself. The same way, kung halimbawa, kasi madami ako nakakausap, right? So, they know that ang potential ng business is maganda. Na-watch nila ang webinar, they are in our private group, nakikita nila kung ano ang potential ng business, yet pinapairal yung takot, pinapairal yung pagiging skeptical, pinapairal yung excuse na walang time, walang pera, you know? Yan ang ginawa ko dati. Nung nag-umpisa ako sa business, busy na ako. I was a manager and I am teaching fitness classes. Kagaya ngayon, pauwi pa lang ako because I was teaching my aqua fitness this morning. So, kung sabihin mo sa akin na busy ka, yes, busy din ako. Right? Wala akong extra time, but I make time. Yan ang kaibahan. If you are willing to make time, if you're willing to make an effort, yan, kaya mong gawin yan. We all have 24 hours in a day. You don't need extra time. You just have to learn how to make use of your time to be a product, to do things na maging productive para sa iyo. That's what it is. Right? Because we all have 24 hours in a day. Right? So, anyhow, so yan yung ibig kong sabihin. And then, yung willingness na, yung hindi willing na mag-step out of the comfort zone, na kahit na alam na, because, let's face it, you click on our video, you click on my ad, ibig sabihin, naghahanap ka ng ibang pagkakakitaan. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka kontento diyan sa lugar mo kung saan ka man. Hindi ka kontento diyan sa work mo. It doesn't matter kung hindi ka kontento sa paycheck mo or nawawalan ka ng time para sa pamilya mo because you're working 24/7 and these hours, di ba? It doesn't matter kung ano man yung reason mo. I know na you have reason kung bakit ka nagtatanong ng additional information. Now, yung iba sasabihin na wala akong pera. Kung iisipin natin, kung wala kang pera ngayon, kung wala kang gagawing ibang way para ka kumita, kailan ka magkakaroon ng maraming pera? If you are still doing the same thing over and over and over again, how long you been in that spot? How long you been in that spot pero wala ka pa ring asenso? Now, if you're not willing to take chances, if you're not willing to step out of your comfort zone, then you'll be stuck there for how many years? Forever. Right? So, kahit na meron tayo nakita na magandang posibilidad, magandang opportunity, kung wala tayong gagawing action, we will remain stuck wherever we are. Diba? Yun ang reality talaga. Oh, diba? So, anyhow, yan po yung ibig kong sabihin diyan. Are you stuck? Are you letting your Bisaya yung dila ko kaya ganun? Are you letting your circumstances para harangan yung pangarap mo sa buhay? You should use it as a motivation, not as an excuse, di ba? Kung wala kang asenso na, kung wala kang gagawin na ibang paraan para maiba yung ways ng daily life mo, yung ways of living mo, then wala, maiista ka pa rin. So you have to take action. You have to step forward. You have to take courage. Talagang maniwala ka sa sarili mo. Kung naandyan yan sa gut feeling mo, then do it. Nag-umpisa ako sa business, busy ako, hindi ko alam kung saan ako kukuha ng pampuhunan ko, pero I made a way. Right? Because gusto ko mabago ang buhay ko. And I'm glad I did. Di ba? So, ngayon, wala na akong work sa weekend, part-time na lang, o di ba? So, ganun lang yun. Ha? No pain, no gain. Di ba? Yun yung sinasabi nila, no pain, no gain. Kung hindi ka mag-sacrifice, dapat meron talagang sacrifice. Kung hindi ka mag-sacrifice, then wala kang gain. Diba? So yeah, I hope it makes sense, guys. So yun lang ang gusto kong i-share sa inyo. But yeah, so if you are interested to check out kung ano po yung business na ginagawa ko, my website is in my business page. All you have to do is to sign up with your name and email address, and then ang aming back office na po ang bahala na magpapadala ng information na kailangan nyo. See? Ganon lang yun. So, hindi kami nag-i-explain dito. Meron kaming system na gumagawa nun para sa amin. Yes, ganon po ka. Ganon ka-easy basta na-set up mo na ang business mo. Right? So, yes, yan yung sinasabi ko. You have to sacrifice at first. You have to put in time and effort para mag-grow ang business mo. Diba? So, yes. So, the same thing lang yan. Kung the same concept lang yan. Kung hindi ka papasok sa trabaho mo, sasahod ka ba? Hindi. Diba? So, the same concept lang yan. Walang kaibahan yan. Yeah. So, anyhow, I hope it makes sense. So, again, feel free to pagka napanood nyo na ang webinar, thank you sa mga heart diyan online. Oh, sis Glenda, thank you. Jen, thank you for watching. Thank you, sis. Patapos na ako, sis. On the way home lang ako. But anyhow, yeah, so doon po sa manonood ng replay, thank you. And I hope it makes sense. So, yes, don't be scared. Give yourself a chance. Dahil walang mangyayari kung wala tayong gagawin. Kung panood lang tayo ng panood, walang mangyayari. But anyhow, hindi na po ako magtatagal. So, enjoy the rest of your Monday. I will touch base with you guys again later. And yeah, so be safe kung saan man po kayo sa mundo. And pag napanood nyo na yung webinar, feel free to message me. I'll be more than willing to answer your questions, guys. And yeah, so take care, everyone. And God bless. Enjoy the rest of your week. Enjoy the rest of your Monday. Thank you po. Ingat. Bye.